Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So welcome to us in this lesson al-kitab al-fiqh. Lesson 1, let's start it. Al-fiqh, al-Ṭahārah, step by step. And what is al-Ṭahārah in Arabic? Al-Ṭahārah, it means cleanliness, purity, being free from death or filth. So in Sharia and Islamic law, Tahara, it means removing ritual impurities, hadath, and physical impurity. So najasa, so that one can perform acts of worship. So like salah. So types of purification. Step 1, spiritual purification, hadath means requires wudu, ablution, or ghusl. Ritual bath, physical purification, najasa. Cleaning to the body, clothes, and places of prayer from impurities, urine, pieces, blood, alcohol, etc. So let's start on sources of purification. Allah has made water the main source of purification. Quran and Surah Al-Ma'idah, ayah number 6. If you do not find water, then perform tayammum with clean earth, types of water, rainwater, well water, sea water, river water, melted snow ice. All can be used for wudu and ghusl. So 2, pure but not purifying, and water that has been mixed with something pure like juice, tea, all of them cannot use wudu. All of them cannot use wudu. Key principle: no salah without purification. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah had not accepted purifying with hot purification in Muslim. Hadith 224.